Welcome to Waaibot. In this video, we will walk you through activating your trial account, enabling you to send messages via the portal or our API. Let's get started. Navigate to waaibot.com and on the main page, select any of the highlighted action buttons or simply click Start Free Trial to begin. You will be taken to our secure authentication gateway. For the fastest access, you can sign up instantly using your Google account. Alternatively, to use a specific email address, click the Sign Up button. Please use an active email, as we require verification for security. Simply fill in the registration form with your details. Once you click Submit, check your email inbox, and don't forget to check your spam folder just in case. Locate the verification email from Waaibot and click the confirmation link inside. You will be redirected to a success screen, confirming your account is now active. Click Proceed to log in, enter your email and password, and just like that, you are inside. Now that you are logged in, welcome to your command center. To unlock the platform's features, click the highlighted Activate Trial button at the top of your dashboard. Next, we need to register the WhatsApp number you intend to use for automation. Enter the mobile number, give this device a recognizable name like SalesBot or Support Line, and click Add Device. With the device added, it's time to link it. Keep your phone handy. You can click the Global Connect button at the top or the specific Connect icon on the device card. Both work instantly. Waaibot offers you full flexibility, just like WhatsApp itself. You can choose to connect via the classic QR code scan or use the link with phone number option to pair using a code. The choice is yours. For this demo, we'll scan the secure QR code. Click on Initialize QR code. A secure QR code will appear. Open WhatsApp on your mobile, navigate to linked devices, and scan this code. Within seconds, the system will sync and you will see the status update to Connected. Let's verify the connection. Click on your device to enter the Device Management dashboard. Here, you can manually send a WhatsApp message to any number. Simply enter the recipient's mobile number, type a message, and hit Send. You can track the delivery status of every message right here in the Message History section. For developers looking to integrate Waaibot with ERPs, CRMs, or point-of-sale systems, you can access full API documentation here to get your endpoints and API keys. That wraps up our setup guide. Your Waaibot is now live and ready to work. Thanks for watching.